time for another 1080p take for UNL elevators. These are the main bank at the 14th and Avery Garage, University of Nebraska-Lincoln. These are KONE from 2006. I was 3.
Okay.
And because Quinn was born in 2006.
Yes.
Quinn was 0.
Yes, Quinn was 0.
With innovation, bruiser fixtures. So here we go.
And Nancy wasn't even born yet.
Not yet. Oh, we got the no working chimes. Oh no, they're missing a 3 Braille on the button. Here we go.
What year again is it again?
2006.
Okay. This elevator is 2006?
Yep.
Yeah, definitely 3. Oh God, don't tell me I'm gonna get stuck here.
Uh-oh.
Come on.
Like a little bit low in oil.
I don't like being stuck here.
Uh-oh.
Don't say a word.
We're a little bit low on oil.
Don't scare me, please don't scare me. I don't like this. I don't like elevators.
Like, oh my.
Shh. Okay, you said it's 2006?
Yes.
But what month is it?
Let's send up the floor and try to get the working chime. This is one here part.
Okay. How do you know it's 2006?
Jeffrey was 3.
But how do you know this elevator is 2006?
It was 20 years ago.
No, not quite. Not quite.
18. 18 years ago.
But what month was it?
I don't know.
That's what I'm asking.
This one has a working chime. What?
Okay, look at the paper right there. Look at the paper.
It says May 2023. 2 years.
Oh.
The other one is very, very bad.
Okay.
Low on oil.
Okay. It says May 30th, 2023. Okay. When was the other one expect? You're gonna have to show me what the other one was.
Get a copy on this one. This is just like the other card. Innovation, bruiser fixtures, ADA compliant. This is card number 1. It's a KONE. Ooh.
You have to open up the other elevator. I want to see what month it was.
The other one is the same one.
Does it say what month was it?
May 30th, 2023.
Oh, how do you know it's 2006?
It was 18 years.
But where do you see 2006? Where?
It was a long time ago.
But does it say up there?
Yeah.
Where? Show me.
What to click?
Okay, show me quickly.
Let's see.
Show me.
Oh, this one is June 5th, 2024.
Okay, but where do you
The
say? But where do you see 2006?
I don't see it. Sorry about that, guys.
Okay.
Watch your doors close.
Okay.
There it goes. That's it for the main bank.